Hey guys, it's Tierra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm coming back with another ponytail review. I did end up getting a new ponytail this time, real human hair. So yeah, I know I look like a hot mess right now. I just braided my hair because Friday I had washed my hair so my mom could dye it today. Today's Monday. Of course I'm going to be using red again today. I'm kind of filming this video a little bit late because I didn't even think about making a video when I got the ponytail. I was just like, whatever, it's probably not gonna die. But exciting news, it did. So I did get my ponytail from Zala hair extensions. Their packaging is so cute. Like I said before, I had already dyed it. I dyed it yesterday and it did dye. I dyed it, washed it with the shampoo conditioner that came in the dye box. Also, I dyed it the same color as the box. And I combed through it, I blow dried it, and I flat ironed it on low heat. And so far, I'm very impressed. So, when you first open the box, it's Velcro. This is what it looks like on the inside. And this really isn't like a full unboxing because I had already opened it prior to me dyeing it, but the stuff is still in here. So right here just gives you some little hair care essentials. It comes with a hair mask, a Revive Me spray, and some shampoo and conditioner for your extensions. Also didn't even say that it came with a booklet of the different hair and colors that they have, which is very smart. Just to let you know what else they have if you ever wanted to buy again from them, which I probably will. So this is the ponytail. It comes in this little bag. So I'm just gonna take it out. That was ugly. I don't think I already, like, it really died. So this is the ponytail. Can y'all see the color? Can y'all see the color? Y'all, oh, and by the way, I did get the color in dark brown first. I think it was like a dark chocolate brown, which really they kind of false advertising because it was like a light brown. But that's okay. It shouldn't be way too off of my hair. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like after I blow dried it and flat ironed it and washed it and dyed it. Still pretty good. And y'all, I'm just shook. Like, it took the color so well. The ponytail I got was $89. It was the, I think, 16-inch. The shipping was really fast. I did the 2 to 3 day shipping, and the shipping was really fast. So I appreciate that. And really, I don't have anything negative to say about this ponytail. I'll be styling it and finally being able to put in the ponytail and seeing how it looks. Okay, so I just got out the shower. This is how my hair is looking. Literally the exact same as the ponytail, which thank the Lord, because I thought this was gonna be another fail because I didn't know if the dye was gonna match my hair or not, but it does. Actually, give me 1 second. I do want to point out that I do use a new moisturizer. This isn't even important in the video, but I'm gonna put everybody on. So this is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream from Glow Recipe. And for all my students out there, they do have a student discount. So good. And it gives you like a glowy look. Y'all, this is gonna be my favorite thing. Okay, so I got everything that I need here. I got some gel for this slick look. I got some leave-in conditioner, Garnier Fructis, favorite. I got some bobby pins, my brush, my comb, edge brush, hard soft brush, that's what I call it. Then I got 2 scrunchies. These are just from Revlon. Literally, for all my thick curly hair people, this is the Revlon hair ties. Y'all gotta go get you some, because them little scrawny small ones ain't gonna do nothing for our hair, period. Okay, so I'm just gonna literally just brush my hair. Hair is kind of dry right now since I just dyed it. That leave-in conditioner is gonna put some more moisture back in our hair, like Yeah, my hair feels hella dry. Okay, and then I'm just gonna get leave-in conditioner and literally just put the smallest amount in my hair. After you dye your hair, you're not supposed to put that much product in it, which I didn't even know until my mom told me, but so I'm gonna use like a little bit like that. I'll usually use way more because it's like a whole section, but okay, so I'm just gonna run this throughout my whole head. Get those ends, the edges. Okay, so that's one side done. Now to the other side. And since my hair was already brushed prior to me washing my hair, the detangling is like so much better. Okay, that's perfect. We're just gonna have to do. So then I'm just going to just go ahead and sleek my hair back. Get this gel. And y'all, I used to use Eco Styler gel, but this gel has been working pretty good. This whole thing was like $2 and some change. That's the tea. One scrunchie on to tie it. And then, oof, and then just try to fix whatever happened. Like, that's not cute. Now, just going to wrap this hair around. Literally try to make it as small as I can. So it looks like that. We're gonna save our edges last. I just want to thank the Lord above because oh, and I'm gonna look at my fly iron because it's like a little dent in it, but oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, so it goes on the middle. Hold on, let me just make sure that I'm doing this right, and let me go hook my fly iron up. And then it says wrap it around the top, but it's really the bottom. There's no Velcro. Oh, you want to know why? Because my hair is thick. What? I'm not gonna tell y'all why I'm looking like this because give me like 2 seconds. As you can see, it's in. It's really cute though. I just don't know how to explain it. Okay, so y'all know how I put it in a bun. Hopefully, maybe I'm just tripping out because maybe you can't even see it. But I need to just come back for a second, look at it in a mirror, and then come back. So I'll be back. Okay, maybe I'm just tripping out because it looks fine. Like, it's really cute. I guess it's just because I have thick hair and I have it in this like thick ass bun. I guess just the fact that I can like feel it. The hair covers it. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my flat iron. It's on 400 degrees. And I'm just going to flat iron it to get that lump out. That is not cute. Next thing I'm going to do is lay my edges. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I like it, but it's just the fact that it's bun. Like, it's right. Like, y'all can see it right there. But I guess if I don't wear it, or if I do wear it like this, which I probably won't, it'll be always back here. I don't know, it's just kind of throwing me off. So, final thoughts. I love the ponytail. It literally matches my hair, as y'all can see. It really threw me off because I think my hair is so thick that I can like still feel the bun, and I'm scared that you can see it because I can feel it. but you can't see it. Overall, I love it. It's literally so cute. Like, sorry, I don't know how to act, but yeah, it's so cute. If you're looking for a little weave pony, highly recommend. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, share to your friends, and I will see you in my next one.